Are you tired of dealing with messy and disorganized pantry shelves? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Vtopmart large food storage containers. These containers are designed to make a huge difference in pantry organization. Our set includes 4 premium food storage canisters, 4 measuring cups, and 24 chalkboard labels. With these containers, everything will look neat and in order. Not only are they functional, but they also make for an ideal gift for any family. The size of each container is 7.5 by 7.5 by 9.1 inches, with a large capacity of 5.2 liters or 176 ounces. This makes them perfect for storing various dry foods such as flour, sugar, rice, grains, chips, cereals, nuts, beans, snacks, pasta, coffee, and tea. The wide openings allow for easy access with a measuring cup. Made from high-grade BPA-free plastic, these pantry storage containers are both sturdy and visually appealing. The clear plastic design allows you to see the contents of each container without the need to open them. This makes it easy to find what you're looking for quickly. The Vtopmart Airtight food storage containers come with side-locking lids that ensure maximum freshness and prolonged food storage. These lids seal tightly, protecting your food from air and water. Say goodbye to stale food. What's more, these containers have a stackable design, making efficient use of every inch of your kitchen. Whether you have a large or small pantry, these durable containers will help you organize better. They are also easy to clean and dishwasher safe, although we recommend hand washing the lids. Please note that these containers are designed for use in the US. International customers may require an adapter or converter to use this product. Please check compatibility before purchasing. In conclusion, the Vtopmart large food storage containers are the perfect solution for your pantry organization needs. With their large capacity, high-grade plastic material, and airtight seal, they will keep your dry foods fresh and your pantry well organized. Get yours today and experience the difference.